Hello everyone, I'm John and this is Just a Gearhead. In today's episode we're going to finally get started on those reinforcement plates. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to get started on those reinforcement plates for the floor, for the areas that I cut out a few episodes ago. I don't know if you guys can tell, it's winter outside, so it kind of looks like this. So right now I do have the space heater running, so hopefully that's not too loud. But yeah, it's still pretty cold in here. I'm gonna have to get better heat out here for this winter if I want to be doing any work out here. But anyhow, so first thing we gotta do is get the body back up in the air and support it so I can get under there and do some work. Well, that's not a good start to the day. So one of my ratchet straps just broke. I'll see if I have another one kicking around, see if I can get it up in the air. Okay. Tore right through it. Alright, now that we got that properly supported again, we can get under there. And I think the first thing we're going to do is take the flapper wheel and clean off the areas where I'm going to be working. Alright, so that was no fun at all, but we've got most of the areas cleaned off that I'll need. So what we're going to do now is I measured up how much I'm going to need. We're going to take this piece of 3/16 plate and we're going to cut off the lengths I need. And yeah, this is like 6 inches wide, so on the front couple that are thinner, we're just going to cut like what we need out of it, the length, so that it'll be 6 inches wider and spread the weight out a bit more. If we have enough metal, we'll, on the back two they're already like 6 inches wide. So I'm thinking if I can maybe somehow, if I have enough material here, I'll cut it the other way to give myself like 7 or 8 inches to spread that weight out as well. Anyway, so we'll get to measuring and cutting. All right, so in the comment section, when you guys commented about how I don't run the grinder shield, I did mention in a previous episode that yeah, I really should, but I have a habit of buying 4.5 inch discs instead of the 4 inch that this thing was meant for. And the reason is Canadian Tire puts these stack packs on sale like all the time, and there's like they're really cheap, and the 4 inch ones never go on sale, it seems. So I keep buying these and they don't fit. So I should go find myself a 4.5 inch guard. I just haven't gotten to that. But anyways, so yeah, don't do like me. You should really use the guard. And safety glasses. So that's all those pieces cut. Guess we'll dig out the welder and see if we can start tacking them in place. As you can see, it's a little smoky in here. Like as I was tacking in the driver's side mounts, I didn't notice that there was a pile of wires sitting on the front floorboard here, right above where I was welding. Probably should have double checked, but oh well. It caught fire. It smells like burnt rubber and plastic in here. So I'm going to probably call it a episode here, because yeah, it's already been a little bit of a long day and everything seems to be fighting me a little today. So I'll get the other side tacked in and welded up. I may film it, I may not. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, so thank you to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys coming and subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Comment, share, like, all that stuff. It's all great. I appreciate all of it. If you guys want merchandise, there's shirts and stickers and posters and coffee mugs and stuff in the Redbubble link in the description. All proceeds go into building the projects, specifically right now the Buick. Anyways, thanks again, and we will see you next time.